Chris Broom from Leeboy. We're talking today about the newly introduced PR900 here at CONEXPO2026. This machine has 2 tanks and 2 spray bars. That's the first thing you notice about it. What is that for? It's for an application of a rejuvenator followed by a polymer over that. The big application for this would be for your DOTs, your state crews, and larger contractors that are looking to maintain highways, public roads, things like that. The biggest part is that you can use it on OGFC. When applied to OGFC, it does not harm the microstructure. So you have the same skid resistance within that 2 or 3 hours that you had prior to the application. Let's jump in the cab, check out the controls, see how it works and how you control the application from both bars. So what you'll see here is our standard maximizer style box, very familiar to anybody that operates a track truck. The main thing you're going to see as a difference is a front and rear tank readout. So on this, I can adjust the application rate for the front or the rear tank. I can also choose to run maybe the front tank only. So if I have a application where I'm just going to spray a 1-part process, I can do that with just the front tank. Go back to selecting both. You could come back here and familiar operation. This spray bar goes out to 12 feet, so I could turn all of these switches on. I have 12 inches of bar shift here and foldable wings for transport. From the back of the truck, you notice first that the unpainted spray bars, they are unpainted because this entire system is stainless steel. So you have full stainless steel bars. All pipes and fittings are stainless steel. The Viking pump is stainless along with the basket strainers. The tank itself is made of all stainless, and we did all stainless for both of these systems because as the chemistries change, you may want to use different products, and this gives you the ability to sort of future-proof the design. The water tanks that you'll see on the back of both of the tanks are for clean out solutions. You have a total of 70 gallons of clean out for this machine. Generally on the rejuvenator tank, you don't need to clean out those. You'll be okay with just sucking those back, but you can actually utilize the full 70 gallons for just the rear tank if you like. From the back of the machine here, you'll notice this is very familiar to anyone that's operated a Max 2, Max 3 distributor truck. We have our display in the rear. This is where we're going to control the loading, unloading, or clean out processes for the machine. So I have my bar shift functionality. I can move my wings up and down and control this clean out system. We also have a dial that allows us to control the speed that we're loading or unloading the material. Some of these materials, particularly on the rear tank, you won't leave in overnight. So at the end of the day, you would hook up to this machine and just unload it, pump it back into the tote or the tanker. You can do all of that from the back. You can decide whether you want to do just the front or the rear tank from the front. So generally, you're going to unload this rear tank and leave the front tank full. So you would select rear only from the front, come back here, run your pump, and unload for the day. Thanks for taking the time to check out the Leeboy PR900. If you have time and you're here at CONEXPO, please come by the booth. We'd love to talk to you. If you have any other questions and can't get by the booth, contact us at Leeboy. We'd love to discuss with you about the application of this machine.